Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northwest from Golden Spring towards Temple Hall, St Mary Parish. Turning off the A3 main road, also Temple Hall main road, onto Temple Rose. If we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Temple Hall, Brandon Hill and into St Mary Parish. A few meters ahead is the Wag Water River. Turning onto Temple Rose Close. The road ends. We are back at Temple Rose. We'll be turning left towards the Wag Water River before heading to the main road, which is to the right. We are back at the A3 main road, also Temple Hall main road. Going right will take you to Temple Hall, Brandon Hill and into St Mary Parish, but we'll be making the left to Golden Spring, Stony Hill, Constant Spring and into Kingston. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.